this lovely little pine by this building. Probably going to do a bit of free dropping and a bit of rigging, set it up. There's just window panes in that building. You could speed line it, but I think I'm just going to rig and drop a little bit and protect this grass. Let's get to it. So at the top, a bit of a twisty crack there. Perfect. Put the rigging point somewhere lower. Not like these branches are big, but it's nice to know I can go as big as I want. Somewhere here, I think. Don't know if you can see, but there's a little fox in that garden, lying in the sun. Similar size, 2 again.
I'll just feed this one out.
Bit weird, but that one's tangled, so I'll get that top and send it out. Could do this in one, but I've got to cut it up to get it through that small gap anyway, so. Definitely one of them where it's easier for the climber. I think rigging is a lot of the time. You just rig big bits and then the ground would have to deal with it. But I kind of have to in this situation because there's a roof below me. Cut it back a little bit because it's got all this twisting and tearing, and I didn't know what that was going to do when my saw's in there, so I cut to the more solid timber a bit further out, and I had quite a bad peel on the earlier one, so I did my ears. That was a nice one.